So I'm on this awkward hill with the DB14, with the Hawk actually. I just put the DB14 away. I actually have on my dirt bike gear. My dirt bike riding gear on the Hawk 250, y'all. I have this little patch of lot here with this awkward hill. This part is probably the basement of the house. There's an old house here, just like the one next door. Got torn down years ago, about 5 years ago. There's raccoons and possums living up in here. So they just tore a lot down and planted some grass. Nice little small spot to train in, first gear on the Hawk at a different elevation. See there's a hill starting to roll. I can control the brake, all that stuff. So I'm just going to play around over here for a little while. Nothing special. If you think it's easy, try it yourself. You build some skills like this. A little clutch control or throttle control. You can do it without the clutch. You use throttle control. Try to maintain a nice easy throttle without using a clutch. Head and eyes. Then throwing some clutch control. Woo! Quick braking, y'all. Gotta use those rear brakes more often. Look, my feet barely touching the ground in this dip. Let's go up this dip without falling. Gotta trust your bike, y'all. Am I first gear? Yeah, first gear. Trust your bike, y'all. I like that dip. That's pretty cool. Out of here for a minute. You gotta go ahead and take that choke off. You guys don't have choke right now. Out of all the spaces? Seriously? They're already on. So what color are we rolling with, y'all? Are they on? Huh? Oh, power. There we go, power. Up. What's the deal? Oh, okay. I disconnected it from there. Now let's see. There we go. We had it on the green last time. I didn't hear ya.
Was it hard taking your motorcycle, whatever you all call it?
Endorsement test?
License? Was that hard to take?
No.
Okay.
If you take the MSF course class, then you get a waiver. That's what I would recommend because the test is pretty difficult. There's some parts on there that if you don't have practiced a lot, most people fail it the first time. So yeah, just sign up for the class.
Okay. What is the best bike do you know that would be the starter?
How old are you?
14.
Probably like a TBR7, like the 125,
Yeah.
dual sport, like a sports bike. Not like a racing bike, but like a dual sport. Something you can play around in on the woods. and then start to take on the roads a little bit as you get comfortable. You know, look on Amazon. You can find like a Chinese bike, like a TBR7 or like a let's see, like a one. Just type in 125 or 150. They got some nice little Lifan sports. You'll like one of those. I'm looking at something like that too, like 200cc.
Yeah.
Just get something under 250 cc's, you'll be fine. Because anything else to that would be kind of heavy and we're too powerful to learn on.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Check me
Stay
out on
safe out there.
YouTube, High West.
Huh?
Check me out on YouTube. I'm High West.
Hi, what?
High West. Oh, you dropped your AutoZone receipt.
Yep.
Yes, it's High West.
Hold on, I'm gonna have you put it in just to make sure.
Yeah, High West Enterprises. Yeah. The microphone. High West Enterprises. High West Enterprises.
My West Enterprises?
High West. High West, like H-I-G-H.
High West Enterprises.
My bike covers everything off. My helmet. Yeah, that's me. I just made that video yesterday.
Alright.
All right, what's your name?
Bradley?
Okay. All right, so Bradley, if you subscribe, just put in your name and I'll know who you are.
Okay.
Thanks,
Stay
man.
safe out there.
Okay. Let's hit the road for a minute.